Hey everybody, it's Sal here
with Alex Athey.
And we are currently in our downtown office in Orlando, Florida. And today we're going to take you through the redraft skill. The redraft skill is one of my favorite skills because it's a content spinner, but not really, because our AI will actually read through whatever it is and then write a new version of it. So it's really useful with almost all of our skills. If you don't like some of the content that maybe was generated, or you want to add something, try the redraft skills. It's quite useful for almost all the skills, even headline. It's fun to use. So as you'll see inside, you'll see there's a generation window. Inside the generation window, you have a little audio microphone, so you can actually speak to it and then have it redraft whatever you said, which is also fun. The cost usage really varies here, so you'll have up to 210 words. Sometimes it could be a little bit over, a little bit under. It just depends on what you're giving Haley to redraft. So let's go ahead. We've copied a little paragraph, and we're going to redraft that paragraph. So you can see we're going to copy it right in there. And then you also see the developer notes on the right hand side, written by
me. Hope you appreciate them.
I did spend quite a amount of time writing the developer notes for you. Do follow the examples. They're proven. It works. So try to read through the developers. They're not long. They're like a paragraph or two, and they'll give you some examples. All right, let's go ahead and generate that copy. So what happens here is Satellite Writer will hook up to Haley AI servers, and you'll establish a link, and then it will research and redraft your copy that you pasted in there. So remember, you can do it for articles, social media posts, you name it. You could do a website copy. It doesn't matter. And you'll see you'll get 3 different outputs. You can listen to these outputs if you would rather listen to them.
How to make money from bugs.
The cool thing with this as well is you could download the audio. So if you were generating a book or social media posts for a video or spokesperson video or whatever that you are doing, and you want to create a new version of it, you can actually download the audio in Haley AI's voice. It's pretty awesome.
It really is. And one thing I want to point out too, in case you guys are chuckling at my title there, is this show you some of the flexibility of AI. You can give Haley AI something that sounds silly, like how to make money from bugs, and she'll come back with a real attempt to answer. And some of these are actually actionable. I looked through some of these examples before. Yeah, it's just, AI is able to look at it from multiple different viewpoints based on the data points in the model. So it's really exciting. Once you like something that is there, you'll select it, and then you'll have expand, reload, and finalize. I believe expand is also disabled on this skill, correct? It is.
Because you're not going to expand what you redraft, but we do have an expand skill, which we'll get to further along, so you can check that out as well in our playground. For this purpose, we're going to finalize, and it's going to take you into the editor. If there are any suggestions on the right-hand side, you will see the suggestions, and on the left-hand side, you will see your content. From there, you could scroll down, and there will be images, and you can choose the images that are related to your content. And if you don't see the images, you could always search for them. Because we're doing bugs, let's do a search on bugs, and it will be a little bit more specific to our content. Also, lastly, you will see that you
I don't want to look at these bugs. I don't like bugs.
You don't like bugs?
Oh God, get them away.
Oh, come on, that's a cute mantis. It could be your girlfriend. All right, with content information.
I'm all right with cats.
All right, cats are okay. All right. You'll get all the content information, what's the word count, the readability score, the education level that it reads at. You can download all these files, the images, the audio, and the text documents by downloading one zip file. With that said, thank you so very much for joining us for how to use the redraft skill, and we will see you on the next one.
Hey, thank you so much. Have fun playing the system. Till next time.